Hello everyone, this is your content creator JJ and Friends FX. How are you everyone? This is my tutorial on how to make my video. Let's start. As you can see, this is my typical project inside Vegas Pro. I use multiple audio tracks, visual effects, scripts, text elements, as you can see, and caption to make my content more engaging and distinctive. Every video requires several hours to editing to ensure it is significantly transformed, original, and provides added value to the source material. My objective is to create content that entertains, informs, and fully complies with YouTube monetization policy. And thank you for taking time to review my work. And guys, next time I post my other video on how my effects works. Stay tuned and be ready. Thank you.